Okay guys, now you've done your facial expressions in the mirror. I hope you've just done that. If you haven't done it in front of the mirror, you should stop the video and go and do them in front of the mirror, all 5 of them. If you have done it, then good job. Let's continue. So now we've done those emotions. Now it's time to add a little bit of sound to the emotions. Okay, so we've done it with our face and it looks good, right? So let's add some sound so then it's even more believable for the audience. The audience will really believe you. Okay, so if I'm sad and I just go like this, that's okay. I still look a little bit sad, but I can look even more sad if I add some noise, add a bit of my voice, okay? So if I do sad like this, then it looks even more sad, right? Okay, good. Let's add some sound, okay? So start with the first one, sleepy. Remember you're sleepy? Show me sleepy. Okay, now let's make some sleepy noises. Sleepy noises are nice soft noises, like a yawn. Maybe if you're sleepy, you might stretch as well. See, it looks a lot better if I add some noise, doesn't it? Yeah? Good. Sleepy, done. Silly. Silly face, go. Cool. Let's add some noise. Silly face and noise, go. Good. Another one. Silly face, noise, go. One more time. Silly face, noise. Yeah, it's a bit funny. I'm at home doing this right now on my own, which is kind of a bit crazy, but it's okay because I'm doing it for you guys. Okay, nice silly faces with noise. Very good. The next one, sad. Okay, so you've shown me your sad face. Okay, let's add some noise now. Sad and noise. It's a bit funny, but that's supposed to be a sad one, okay? Can I see your sad one? Did you add some noise? When you're sad, what kind of noise do you make? When I'm sad, I make a bit of a crying sound, a bit of a complaining sound, and I'm almost about to cry. Maybe some sniffing because your nose is running. Good job, guys. Last one, sorry. Okay, sorry is a tricky one. I think for me, when I'm sorry, I go very quiet, so I don't make much noise when I'm sorry. So I show my sorry face. Maybe not much noise. If you make a noise, will it be a big noise or a small noise? Maybe a small little noise. Cool. So when you add the sound to the emotion, to the face, it makes the whole picture of your face a lot clearer. Now, remember when we're speaking on stage or speaking to an audience or announcing something, we want to be clear, right? Yeah, we want everyone to understand what's going on, understand what we're trying to tell them. So if I want to show you that I'm sad, I want to show you the best way that I can show you. So I can show you with my face, I can show you with some sound, and I can show you with my body as well, which is really good. We'll do that next. Good job, guys.